Hello and welcome. I am Raghav, and today we are going to learn something very interesting. So generally we test and then find the bugs and then we fix them. But today with the help of AI, you can do a lot of more things, like you can predict the bugs even before testing, and then you can create your tests accordingly. So how exactly this is done step by step, let us see. So we are taking a checkout page feature here. You can apply this to any scenario or any test case that or any kind of testing you are doing. So here generally we start testing after development, and while we are testing we find bugs and then we fix them. So this is kind of a reactive testing because we are testing after development, finding bugs and fixing them. But what if we can predict the bugs before they happen? This will make us so much more powerful and prevent a lot of bugs in real world. So let's see how we can make use of AI for this. Step number one is, let's understand what's shift left thinking. We call it shift left because we are moving earlier in the life cycle of our project. So we are kind of shifting left. So here, instead of testing and then finding bugs, we will understand the scenarios. We will make use of AI to predict what can be the possible bugs here, and then we will try to prevent these bugs even before we start real testing. Okay, so this will make us so much powerful, and we are thinking before writing the test cases. So with this understanding, let us go to step number 2. We will use AI to analyze a feature, and here we are using the checkout feature. So I will go to AI chat. You can go to ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude or any AI chat. And here, let us start with the persona or role prompting as we have learned in the earlier sessions. You are a senior SDET or a senior QA engineer. Analyze the scenario, which is checkout feature in this case, with payment, cart and order confirmation. So you give your context and then say, identify potential failure points and areas where bugs are likely to occur. Now this is a very basic prompt. You can add more context to it. You can add the co-star method that we have learned earlier and make it much better. The important thing here is we are asking AI to find and identify the potential failure points and likely bugs. Okay, so let us copy this, and I will go to AI chat and let's just add it here. Okay, and let's quickly check what does it give us. So here you can see it will start analyzing and give us all the possible impacted areas, all the possible bugs, and here the output is not very formatted or structured because we have not given it all the details that I want a table format, I want all these columns. So that all you can do, and we will refine it in a moment. But you can see here all these things: pricing, discount, tax call calculation, cart management, consistency, payment processing integration, order creation, order confirmation, error handling and recovery, security, data integrity, etc. So you can make your prompts better and can get exactly what you need in a structured way. So in the output you will mostly get payment failures, cart mismatch, network issues. So you already know that what are the areas where I have to focus and cover these areas with my test cases. So now after this, step number 3 is, let us refine our prompt and let us ask some deeper questions. So we can say, list high risk scenarios and possible bugs for all these things: checkout, including edge cases, data inconsistency and failure handling. So let's copy this as well, and I will add it here in my chat, and let's see what do we get now. So here you can see high risk scenarios and likely bugs. So cart, checkout transition, concurrent cart modification. So these are things which we may miss or we may not think a lot deeper, but with the help of AI, we can cover all these possible scenarios where the bugs are likely to occur: payment processing and retry handling, all these things. So mostly in the output you will get duplicate payments, timeout issues, partial transactions, and all the possible things which can go wrong in this payment scenario. Okay, so you can refine and get whatever you need in a structured format. After this, step number 4 will be, we will convert prediction and then add to our testing strategy. So what we have done is we have used AI to predict bugs. So let's say, for example, AI has given us a bug or a likely bug which is duplicate payment scenario. So now we will cover it with a test case, retry payment scenario. So even before starting testing, we are thinking that this can be a high impacted area and we are covering it with a correct test case. Similarly, the timeout issue which AI has predicted, we will add a test case, network delay handling, so that this is also covered. So you can see how powerful it makes us, how powerful it makes our testing. Even before starting the test, we are actually covering all the possible defects and bugs and making our testing very, very powerful and very, very useful. Okay. So as it is said, great testers don't just find bugs, they prevent them. So you can apply this to any of your test scenarios, any of your applications you are testing. Using AI, you can predict the bugs and cover it with test cases, and you can prevent all these bugs. I hope this was useful. I will see you in the next session. Thank you for watching and never stop learning.